malaki po yung role ng native trees sa atin. Kasi ito yung nagpo-protect sa atin against landslide, floods. Yung Buhay Punlaan Nursery, nagsimula ito noong 2005 when the Road to 2020 project has been established.
The bamboo stick
To uproot and just get it
make sure na meron root hair
so that it's alive pa.
Yeah.
The preparations for the activity, I think that would have to do with knowing a little bit more about what Haribon is doing and what Road to 2020 is.
Kunta namin maka 100. We have around
50.
45.
45 to 50.
Halfway.
Yes.
Masaya yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Hindi siya yung usual everyday experience mo na, I mean, when you live in an urban setting, I don't think you pick up wildlings every day. I think everyone's having fun too.
Na 100 na kami, dadali na namin sa nursery now.
Kuta kami.
Kota kami.
We are human beings. We are also part of the great chain of life. We have to give back our part to nature.
Ganito po yung pagbabag. Una is lalagyan muna siya ng lupa. Tapos siguraduhin itong nakausap dito ay ma-push pa ilalim. Yan. Para yung bag ay pwede siyang makatayo ng ganito. At saka puno siya ng lupa. Para yung seedling na may lagay dito at saka yung pagbuhos ng tubig ay hindi siya magpo-push down yung lupa.
Kailangan mo na butasin yung mga soil. After nun, kailangan i-plant.
Until the root.
And then pinch the soil lang to close it back.
First time ko kasi magganito. It's the first time I saw how they create these ready-to-plant seedlings which you use in tree planting. So it's interesting.
Ngayon nagbabaging ako nung mga wildlings na kinuha ko kanina. Kasama yung mga kapwa ko atenista para tumubok at muling ibalik sa kagubatan.
I like that we're able to do something with what we picked up a while ago.
Importante na tayo'y tumulong sa pag-reforestation ng ating kagubatan dito sa Pilipinas.
What we're doing now is we're removing the weeds that are surrounding the plant. And we're transferring them to that side so that they'll be more organized. It's very important kasi the weeds compete with the plants for the nutrients. And so we have to remove them so that the plant gets all the nutrients.
So what we're doing now is cutting the excess roots since it's bad for the growth, I think. That's why we have to cut it. And we just put it over there when we're done.
Ito po yung tinatawag na recovery chamber. Ito ay ginagawa para doon sa mga masisilan na native tree species na hindi mag-survive ng direct seedling.
So prior for tree planting activity, so dapat prepare muna natin yung site na pagtatanan natin ng seedlings. So isa sa mga activity natin sa site preparation is yung hole digging, pagbubutas ng lupa na pagtataniman ng seedlings natin. So dapat yung laki ng butas natin, hindi lang sinlaki ng fully bags na itatanim. Dapat mas malaki pa din para magkaroon ng space yung seedlings once na itanim natin.
With doing tree planting includes feelings of contentedness and fulfillment, since you're actually doing something and leaving a mark. I mean, this tree would be here long after you've died or something, and at least it's a reminder here that you've done something and left your mark in the world in a way. Tree planting is like taking care of a child, because a tree is like it's a delicate thing wherein you have to consider several aspects of it, and as we have seen in the different parts that we have done in preparation for this phase, that a lot of work goes to the creation of a good seed.
It would really help if a lot more people would come. There are only a few of us here and we can't pick up everything, so it would really help if a lot more people could join us in doing this.
They could help the environment as well as themselves, not only by doing something good for nature, but also for doing something good for themselves and leaving a legacy.
I feel really good kasi
That's not a cockroach.
I didn't realize that what we're doing could have a great impact to the environment. And it makes me happy to know that by doing this, I could help the future generation and my generation as well.
It's a different kind of experience. You're able to go to the field and understand what it is of the organization.
I volunteered because I want to help prevent deforestation and I want to save Mother Nature.
Nakatulong ka na, may mga nakikilala ka pang mga tao tulad ninyo.
Try it as a new experience. Kakaiba siya from the usual that you do in school and sa urban life. So, matry nyo lang kasi it's good. It's also helping the environment, helping our country, helping nature.
Kahit gaano po kaliit yung participation natin will have a big impact para po sa ating kalikasan. So, magtulungan po tayo para mai-restore natin yung nasirang kagubatan natin.
Help bring back the forest for 2020.